Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning Javanese with Duolingo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start learning Javanese with Duolingo, first, download the Duolingo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Add a new course to start the process of learning Javanese. In the course selection menu, scroll down until you find Javanese. Select Javanese and confirm your choice. Now, Duolingo will prompt you to choose your native language for a more personalized learning experience. Once you've selected your native, after that, you'll be taken to your first lesson. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout, including the heart system, which tracks your progress. As you begin the lessons, focus on the pronunciation of new words. Utilize the audio features to hear native speakers pronounce Javanese terms. Practice regularly to build your vocabulary and confidence in speaking. Make use of the practice button to reinforce what you've learned. Take advantage of Duolingo's checkpoints to assess your progress. Set daily goals to ensure consistent learning. Engage with the community features, like forums, to connect with other Javanese learners. Explore the stories and podcasts available to enhance your listening skills. Don't hesitate to revisit earlier lessons for better retention of concepts. Track your daily streak to maintain motivation and consistency. After gaining some proficiency, consider supplementing your learning with Javanese language resources such as books or videos. As you progress, challenge yourself with more complex sentences and phrases. Continue to practice until you feel comfortable using Javanese in various contexts. Remember, consistency is key to mastering any language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.